Hello lovers of Bobo Kitty Fashion, happy Sunday and welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So today we are going to be talking about how to transfer your head measurements to our mannequin head. So after following the measurements, as you can see, I use a pin to pinpoint all the points on the mannequin head, and then I'm going to take my wig cap and just gently place them under each pin so that when doing my wig I can follow this. So this is actually a customized wig, so I need to be very precise with the measurements. This is also good for braidless wigs actually. So in case you do not know how to take your head measurements, make sure you like and you subscribe and you follow for more videos, as I will be posting a video on how to take your head measurements before transferring them onto the mannequin head. So here you can see I'm just trying to pin everything and put everything in place. A little bit of a tussle, but you're going to get it. I just noticed these pins I have might not be the best, so I'm going to try to get some that is more suitable for this. But for now, I'm going to make this work. So we are just pinning to the back, pin everywhere. Make sure you get the correct measurements on the mannequin. So after taking your measurements from your head, you're going to transfer the measurements to the mannequin head, and when transferring them, use these pins to pinpoint the exact positions where the wig is supposed to be. And so what we are doing now is putting the wig on the measurements we took with the pin to have everything in place. So after doing that, as you can see, everything is in place, and then we are going to reduce the excess wig so that we can make it to fit. All this excess wig, we are going to trim them so that it can fit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.